Welcome to bags. Welcome to bags, buckets, and bins. Today is January 23rd. I don't know. The day before the snowstorm. And I was looking at the garden like, I gotta get those crop tents, the covers off, because all that snow is going to possibly break it. So let's do that. Alright, this is how gardening don't never really be over, alright? Ain't no saving this. And I'm not trying to buy covers. And all this snow that's coming is just gonna make this stuff. It's just gonna make these dip in. This one lean into, so I ain't no telling. It's stuck. That's stuck. Okay, so snow is gonna get on that. I'm taking these off. Let me see. Poor garden. Yeah, 'cause I ain't spending no more money on these crop tops, whatever you call them. I refuse. And I know this snow gonna be heavy. And I ain't got no fall garden. It ain't happened. Okay. Ain't no fall garden. So these right here is pretty sturdy. But I am refusing to pay any money on these crop tops. Whatever you call them. Crop cage, I don't know. So keep it in there. Well, I can see it. Yeah, keep it under here. Keep it under here. Keep it under here. I don't want the snow. Well, if it get buried in the snow, get buried in the snow. So. Like I said, ain't no fall garden. Ain't no fall garden. It was a nice try, though. One thing I learned, follow your first thought. And my first thought was, all that snow gone, make those crop tents fall in. Okay. So, this one right here. These joints is bricks, heavy bricks. Tell a friend, it's cold outside. I don't know what I was thinking with a fall garden, but we made it do what it do for the time being. We learned. All right, see y'all in the next one.
2 days later.
It's no whole lot about 1, 2 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. The greenhouse top. It's gonna sink in. That's why I know I gotta get a real greenhouse.
What?